everyone. So now we're learning arguments and keyword arguments. So let's get started. So here we have our Jupyter notebook. Let's name it as Args and keyword arguments. You can call it Args and Kwargs. So basically we'll create a normal function that is without args and kwargs. So let's get started. Let's make the function, and then I will type here a comma b, and then so here let's type a comment first. Let me show you. So it just like returns 5% of the result, and then here's our main code. So now if I type here return sum, let's say, so it should return the sum of a comma b. Oh, okay. So, and then point 0.05. If I run that, and let's say my func, let's say 60, 50. If I run that, it's going to say 5.5. But there is a problem in here. Because if I type one more parameter in here, it's an error because it only takes 2 position arguments, but 3 were given. So with certain commands, you can give infinite amount of arguments in here. So to temporarily fix this, you type here A, B, and just like that, and 7.5. So if you can do unlimited amount of arguments, so you need to do this. Then so first you need to give an asterisk and then type here args. You can, so args is a variable, asterisk is mean for args. You can type anything in here, but I prefer you can type args. So if I run this, okay. So it's run, and now if I type here some more, just like this. So with args you can give unlimited amount of arguments in here. So let's type here 1.0. Just like that. So this is how arguments work. If I type 1.0 in here. So now it's time to learn keyword arguments. Let's change it to 0.05. So if I type here, if I type double asterisk and type here keyword arguments, and then type here keyword arguments, okay. To fix this, we need some sort of code. And then we will use it. So first method to use Kwargs is like iterating through it. Let's run the code. Do it. I'll do it this side too. delete the cell. Okay, just leave that, and then let's do started, and let's start from iterating. Not iterating, it's like, let's say if fruit, let's put food instead, and then let's say in keyword arguments, food in keyword arguments actually. So that means that we are gonna do that in the keyword arguments. If print, so we're gonna type print and then type here the fruit. A fruit of choice is let's okay, I'm doing the fruit again. Said food. Oops. So now, we need to keep it empty, and then we'll use a dot format function. Dot format and then type here keyword arguments, and then in here food, select that and done. So if we run this and let's say it like func, let's say my func flute is equal to apple. Okay, food is equal to, let's say, noodles. If we type that, okay, there is a problem in here. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do strings. Okay, just like that. Oh, typo. It's a typo. Okay, let's just change the keyword args arguments. There's a typo here. This one is correct. So, and this will type here. My food of choice is noodles. Like that. So this is how Kwargs work. This is a dictionary. So if I type here pizza, just like that. These are args and kwargs. So today we have learned args and kwargs. So see you at the next lecture.